Hello, my name is Thomas, private jet broker and partner at the Aviation Factory. And today we are visiting Smuuthcare. Smuuthcare operates these two magnificent air ambulances. When traveling abroad, things can go unexpected. And this is when these aircraft and teams bring you home to the best possible healthcare. Every aspect of the operation is designed to save valuable time, from the moment a patient arrives by ambulance to their safe arrival at destination. The focus remains on saving lives and providing the highest level of care on the ground and in the air.
My name is Per. I'm the chief flight nurse for Smuuthcare Ambulance. We have all the equipment needed for taking a patient from a hospital abroad and back home to Norway, Denmark or Sweden or wheresoever. So this is inside our aircraft. Here we have 3 stretchers. 2 of them are made for taking critical ill patients, and this one is more for not so ill. The critical ill patients, they have the possibility of getting help from a ventilator. On board we can give oxygen many hours. We have lots of oxygen, so we can go back to Thailand and back, and to Thailand and back again. And for all different kinds of events, we have different bags for the monitor. So everything is always on the aircraft, so all of us flying is familiar with it and we know where to get it. So it's a nice environment to do medical treatment and take care of the patients. And we have food and everything on board, so we try to make it cozy and nice on the trip back home.
If you or someone you know ever needs ambulance assistance, get in touch with our team at the Aviation Factory. We will be happy to advise and assist you.